Naka-record na ba?
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why, but you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we had roots to. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather have this a try. You and I could be like sunny shades, honey and there's a moon. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen right. La 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 la
Say hi to the camera.
Hi!
Dali. Uy! Sira ulo ka.